This is the lift coefficient interactive calculator, which solves for any missing variable in the lift equation used in aerodynamics. The calculator has 5 calculation modes available in the drop-down menu. Calculate lift coefficient CL, calculate lift force L, calculate velocity V, calculate reference area A, and calculate air density ρ. For this demonstration, I'm selecting Calculate Lift Coefficient. Now I'll enter the input values. For lift force L, I'm entering 12,500 newtons. For air density ρ, I'm using standard sea level density of 1.225 kilograms per cubic meter. For velocity V, I'm inputting 65 meters per second. And for reference area A, I'm entering 16.2 square meters. After clicking Calculate, the results appear below. The calculator determines the lift coefficient based on the fundamental lift equation, where lift force equals 1/2 times density times velocity squared times reference area times the lift coefficient. This coefficient is dimensionless and indicates how efficiently an airfoil or wing generates lift. Higher values mean better lift generation for the given conditions. Find the link in the description below.